Hello students, myself Prince and I am making this video on the behalf of Opera IELTS PT Institute Patiala. So today we are going to do another reading discussion, and in this time this discussion will be quite different because I am going to discuss this paragraph with the help of questions only. So let us start with the passage today, and you can see I have divided all the paragraphs and I have written their respective questions also which are located in this paragraph. So you can see paragraph A, paragraph B, paragraph C, paragraph D, paragraph E, and two parts of the paragraph F and their respective questions also. So now let us start with our today's discussion. But first of all, if anyone who has not subscribed our channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon also, so that you can get all the notifications of our latest videos about any kind of material of IELTS. So let us start with our today's reading discussion. So first question, paragraph A, 6th. So the answer is 6th. An approach that helped a young learner. So now we will look on an approach that had helped a young learner to achieve something or to learn something. So the approach was taken by a school's principal here. So he decided to hold the boy back a year. So this was the approach, and after that here I took Bassett that year as my private student. So this is kindly a approach which they are asking here, an approach. Now we will look how it helped a young learner. So here by the end of the year he had conquered. Conquered means to achieve something or to win any kind of battle. He had conquered his adopted country's vowel rich language. Vowel rich language means the language which is completely filled with the vowels, and arrived at the realization that he could in fact learn. So that young learner, he realized that he is the person who can also learn as compared to the others also. So now we will shift to the paragraph B. I hope you understand it. So here there are basically two questions. One is heading and another is kind of summary. So first we will look at the second question, paragraph B, 7th. Answer is 7th. Statistical proof of education success. So basically the meaning of statistics is the number or counting. So we will look at this statistical proof, like we will look on the numbers or any kind of achievements. So here we will see there was a test program for international student assessment PISA, a standardized test given to 15-year-olds in more than 40 global venues, revealed Finnish youth to be the best at reading in the world. After here, in the latest PISA scores, the nation was Finland, came second in science, third in reading, and sixth in math. So second, third, and sixth, these are the statistical proof of education success. Like they have got this kind of position all over the nearly 500,000 students worldwide. So this is the educational success, and these are the proofs: second, third, and sixth in maths, reading, science, like this all statistical proof. So now we will move to the 7th question. In the most recent test, Finland's top subject was science. So answer is science. We will look at how it came. In the latest PISA scores, the nation came second in science, third in reading, and sixth in math. So here, what do we have to do? We have to take these three subjects and we have to do some kind of ranking, we can say. If we talk about the world's perspective, so then Finland is second in science, third in reading, and sixth in math. But if we talk about the Finland's perspective, the top subject was science, and after that on the second position it was the reading, and on the fifth position it was the math. If we talk about the Finland's perspective, so they have asked about Finland's, not world. So after attempting the 7th question, we will move to the next paragraph, paragraph C. So in the paragraph C, there is only one question, that is a heading, a business model approach to education. Now we will look on the synonyms basically. So the synonym for business model approach to education is here. In the United States, government officials have attempted to improve standards by introducing marketplace competition into public schools. So the synonym for business model approach is marketplace competition into public schools. So public school is the synonym for the education. So clearly they have written here. So a business model, we can also take the example. So they have given some examples also here. A group of Wall Street financiers and philanthropists such as Bill Gates have put money behind private sector ideas. So this was a business model approach to education. We can clearly see it. Now we will move to the paragraph D. So in the paragraph D, there is only one question here also. So that is a heading. Paragraph D, fourth. Ways in which equality is maintained in the Finnish education system. So the Finnish is a word for Finland. So the answer is fourth. So we can see every school has the same national goals and draws from the same pool of university trained educators. So they are saying that all the teachers, all the educators who are teaching to the students who got training from a same university. We can say from the same pool of university trained educators. So the result will be that the students will be getting equal education, equal and same education. Either they are living in a village or either they are living in a university town. So they have written of getting, there is a good chance of getting the same quality education no matter whether he or she lives in a rural village or a university town. So the synonym for equality is good chance of getting the same quality education. Same is all will be getting the same equal amount of education. The quality will be the same, identical. So we will move to the next paragraph, paragraph E. Here they have written, we are having only one question again. So paragraph E, 8th. Sport for families working or living in Finland. So in this we have to find the word or the synonyms for the sport. Finland provides 3 years of maternity leave and subsidized daycare to parents. Basically, maternity leave is a leave which is given to the mother when she is pregnant. And subsidized daycare means they will be getting a care by the government, and the government will be paying for that care also. So after that, the state subsidized parents paying them around 150 euros per month for every child until he or she turns 70. So if the parent is having a child, so the government will be paying them 150 euros per month for every child until he or she turns 70. So basically they will be getting 150 euros per month for each child. So after that we will move to the paragraph F. So in this paragraph there are a lot of questions only in this paragraph. There are total 6, 8, 9, 10. Basically there are 4 here and 3 there. So there are total 7 questions only in one paragraph. So we can say that if you reach the last paragraph, you will able to get 5 or 6 questions out of 7. And basically it is there are only 6 questions which are part of a summary. So it will be quite easy for you to find the answers. So we will look at first on the heading, paragraph F, second. The reforms that improved education in Finland. Basically the meaning of reform. Reform is a kind of decision or a change that has been made by any kind like any institution or government, so that they can improve any particular area. So reform meaning is this. So we have to find the reform that improved education in Finland. So the answer is here. But in 1963, the Finnish Parliament, so here the institution is Parliament, made the bold decision. So basically, synonym for the reform is the bold decision to choose public education as the best means of driving the economy forward and out of recession. So we are having the eighth answer also here, economy. A new school system was needed to improve Finland's economy. The synonym for improve is the best means of driving the economy. Driving the economy means boosting the economy. So the answer is economy here. So in the next question, schools followed dash that were created partially by teachers. So the answer is guidelines. So we have to come here. Teachers from all over the nation contributed to a national curriculum. So basically teachers have formed a national curriculum, or we can say a syllabus that provided guidelines, not prescriptions. Basically guidelines means to guide someone, not prescribing a particular step. Like we are not prescribing a particular step like the doctors prescribe medicine to their patients. We are basically guiding them to the right way. So they also contributed to a national curriculum that provided guidelines. So the answer is guidelines. So 10th, young pupils had to study an additional language. So here our answer is besides Finnish and Swedish. These are the two languages. The country's second official language. Children started learning a third language. English is a favorite usually. So here we can see they have not written English language, so we cannot write additional English language. So they have written children started to learn a third language. The synonym for the additional is third. So the answer is language. So I hope you have understood. So now we will move to the second part of the F paragraph. In the last we will sum up also all the questions. All teachers were given the same equipment or resources. We can write any of them to use. So our answer is here, the equal distribution. So the synonym for the same, the equal. So the synonym for the same is equal. Equal distribution of equipment. So we are having answer equipment. Was next, meaning that all teachers had their fair share. We can also write answer resources because fair share is also the synonym for the same. Fair share of teaching resources to use to aid learning. So here they have written to use. So here they have written to aid learning. So now we will move to the 12th question. Teachers had to get a master's degree, but they did not have to pay for this. So the answer is here. The second critical decision came in 1979. So our keyword to find this 12th answer is 1979. And here also they have written 1979. When it was required that every teacher gain a 5th year master's degree in theory and practice. So answer is to get a master's degree. For the synonym for synonym for get is gain. But they did not have to pay for this. Now we will look at this statement also and we will try to find it. Paid for by the state. State means government. So they have written that the government will be paying this money which is required for the expense of the master's degree. So here they have written opposite. They did not have to pay for this, means the government had to pay for this. So now we will look at the 13th question. Applicants were attracted to the respect status. We can write any of this respect or status that teaching received. Yes. So we are having answer here. From then on, teachers were effectively granted equal status with doctors and lawyers, or we can write the answer because the salaries were so high. Not because the salaries were so high, but because autonomous decision making means they are able to make their decisions on their own, independent, and respect made the job desirable. Now we will look at the synonyms like applicants were attracted. The synonym for this line is applicants began flooding teaching programs. Like flooding. Flooding is synonym for the attracted. To the respect or status, we have already seen this status and respect. So that teaching received made the job desirable. So the job is teaching. So we can see how they have formed this question also, and we have find the answer. So now we will look on the first question again. So in the first paragraph they have we are having only one answer, that was a heading. In the second, a heading plus a summary, and again one question of heading, and again one question of heading. In the paragraph E also one question of heading. Basically they have given 7 questions in the F paragraph. So try to find a pattern in each passage when you attempt it. First of all, if you want to find the answers of the heading questions, you should able to summarize the particular paragraph. You should know how to summarize, how to make a summary of a particular paragraph. So for doing that, you should mark the main statements. Like I have marked, but in the Finnish parliament made the bold decision to choose public education as the best means of driving the economy and forward out of recession. So these kind of lines you should mark so that you can make a quick summary of a paragraph and you can easily find any kind of question related to heading. If you want to find the answers related to the summary, so kindly mark all the main keywords and find out the main synonyms of that keywords so that you can find the location also as well as the most accurate answer also. So this is the end of our today's reading discussion. I hope you find it interesting and it will be helpful for you to find the answers also. And if you are having any queries, you can ask any teacher of Opera regarding the reading, or you can ask me also. After this video, I will be posting the next video on the next paragraph also. So keep yourself in touch with this channel. Thank you.